Hurricane Umberto lashing Bermuda with winds in excess of 100 miles an hour back on Wednesday night. And this was the scene back on your Wednesday as Bermuda feeling the direct wrath of this major hurricane as it passed just to the north. And it's not an everyday sight for Bermuda to get this simply because Bermuda is so small. It's about 15 miles wide. And from the tippy top of the archipelago, by the way, 138 different islands comprise this archipelago here of Bermuda. So from the very top of it all the way to the very bottom, just 24 miles, making it 20.5 square miles. Folks, that is a tiny speck in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. That said, we've had some notable direct hits in recent years. More on Gonzalo and Faye in just a second, but the standout storm from this list, Fabian, back in 2003. Now, it did not make a direct landfall officially, but the eastern eye wall lashing Bermuda with winds well in excess of 140 miles an hour. It led to, unfortunately, 4 fatalities. So this is certainly an island that can sometimes get hit by hurricanes. But what about 2 in a week? In fact, less than a week. Faye making landfall on October the 12th. 6 days later, Gonzalo making landfall, and that was as a Category 2 storm. So Faye making landfall on October the 12th, 2014. 6 days later, less than a week. Again, we're talking about a tiny speck here in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. We had a Category 2 storm in Gonzalo making landfall that led to widespread power outages, and unfortunately for Bermuda, feeling the brunt of 2 storms in a few days. So Bermuda, despite the fact that it's very small, certainly can feel the direct wrath of hurricanes.